Okay, how to put a caliper back together. Let's see if I can get this right. So first thing you need is your ring to go inside. It just fits inside the groove at the bottom. It's quite easy to put in. Just make sure that groove's nice and clean all the way right round. Next thing you need is your piston. I've got a new one. So before I put the piston in there, I'm just going to put some grease on it. Don't know why I keep whispering. Just put a little bit. If you get the piston, put it on it so that it's square. And just edge down, make sure it goes all the way in. If you get a bit more grease, put it on another rubber, and hook that over. That's your dust cap in. Going again. That is. Okay, so once the ring's in, I need to do this one. So a little bit of grease. That's a bit of grease on all of them. You just get these black covers, gaiters. And struggle to put them on because they're all black, slimy. Ta-da, there's one. Let's get the next one on. Freaking fracking. Come on. Two. Lovely jubbly. Next. Jesus. Last one. Oh, nearly. Yeah. Right, so, one step forward, 2 steps back. Right, that's the one. Right, so then you need the big rods that go through it. So, where's your wee rings? So these little tiny rings go on here. A little smear off your finger of grease. And don't break them. First one in. Get on this slide here. Next one. That's that one. Just stick it in there. Just ease it through. Put some more grease on it. wash these things. I had it on the wrong bit. That methinks. Yes, I had it on the wrong bit. Right, last two. You hate to suffer this bit, so yeah, just the same as the last one. Well, if my editing skills are any good, you get a no bad video, and if they're total cack, then you get to see it all. Right, so it's not that one. It's that one. That's that. Get that up. That can ease it. That was better. Let's get some more of this. Right, and then this goes over the top. Get a bit more. Right, so what way does it go? That way or that way? Oh, nearly a big mistake. Right, this rubber. Tiny rubber goes in there first. And then this pin. This pin slides over the top. It goes in that wee gap. Like so. And then we get some clean hands. And we put the disc in. So it just fits in. Like so, nice and tight. Put this on. I like to try and get the bolts through first, and you know you're not catching nothing. But clearly I am. There we go, bolts are through. The last one, got a little pinhole at the bottom. It's for your screw, so locate it so that you can see inside. And that's that. Put these two together. Give them little turns, no catch. I hate to get used to talking to this camera, and a bit louder, I think. I'll check. I've got a mic on the day, so it might be better. And when you button these up, if you just make sure that the fins are all lined up. And that's that bit done. You just need your bleed nipple. Screw that on. Two new washers, and that's it ready to go back on the bike. Oh, one more thing, dust cover. I should have put that one first. Hey ho, it can go on the top. Right. Well, that was painless. Put my bolts back in case I forget. Go to the garage with them. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.